Hello, and I hope you are doing well. Today we did a model of the static compression test of a composite column, concrete column, composite column which contains the concrete, the steel reinforcement as the and the X shape here, and the X shape is still core here, still X shape core as the another reinforcement in the concrete column. This is a new shape of the core for the reinforced concrete. So now let me replace the concrete and check the stress for that. This is the stress, and if I check the compressive damage, which is fully damaged, the tension damage you can see happen in the concrete, the stiffness degradation, or the displacement. Now we can replace the others. Let me remove this and replace the, for instance, the make it feature edge. It is a better view of the X shape. We can check the stress for it, plastic deformation, displacement, or anything else, or for the reinforcement. And let me check compression here. See, if I click on animate, you can see the compression here. You can check the damage here, the static approach. We can do it also dynamic, but here this is a static tension damage. Plastic strain. See here, displacement. And now we can check the diagram for the force displacement. See here, the maximum was 6 meganewton about that, and after that we have the stable diagram. If we keep the displacement, it reaches 0 after a while. But here the maximum is important, and we got that. The maximum value for the uh, force. Okay, so if you want to use this tutorial to model the concrete with damaged plasticity model, the X shape still with plastic or damaged behavior as the core, reinforcement under the static load, considering all details, you can use this tutorial. So come to our website here, abaqusfm.com. Find the English tutorial here. This is the English tutorial. Then you will have the title, geometry assembly, a step load interaction, then the result as figures. Let me again reload it. Okay, these are the figures you can see here, and the tutorial contains CAINP reference material, a step-by-step English video paper, and the cost is 25 euros. You can use a PayPal account, Visa or MasterCard for the payment. Before that, contact me to this email. We have also a full package containing more than 400 tutorials here about all things in Abaqus. If you provide this package, you don't need to read anything, just this, because it contains all things that you need in your project, in your paper, anything. It contains here, these are the main titles here, like the explosion with all method, and these are the subtitles: impact, welding, biomechanics, forming, cracked soil, CFD, FSI, thermal structure analysis, thermal analysis, cyclic loading, masonry, DEM method, pull-out test, anything, composite materials, concrete, steel, seismic loading, electromagnetic, anything. So the cost for this full package, really, this is the best package in the net, is about 230 euros. Uh, you can provide this full package, but before that, contact me again to this email to tell you about more about it. And if you need, you can provide it. Thank you for your attention.